Well, everyone, it's time for us to go and see how to fix your MacBook if it's stuck on some sort of a black screen. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, and this happens to me occasionally. The number one reason why something like this ends up happening is usually because my MacBook's display is all the way down. So it might seem pretty basic, but if you have a MacBook that has a touch bar, go ahead and see if that touch bar is turning on, and if you're able to increase the brightness. If you have a standard type of MacBook that basically uses the buttons nowadays, go ahead, see if you're able to increase or decrease the brightness just by clicking those buttons. That's another very easy thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about as well, because that can also probably end up kind of, adjusting it, and hopefully that'll end up fixing the problem for you as well. Now, on top of that, sometimes you might have to do a little bit of a forced restart. So sometimes if the system is frozen, a hard reboot can clear the stuck state. So go through, press and hold that power button that you basically have for about 10 seconds or so. Now the Mac will force shut down, and you can wait a few seconds, then you can press the power button to normally restart that MacBook. So try doing that. That can be another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now, if that's still not working, you might also want to make sure that that MacBook is charged up. Sometimes if your MacBook is not charged up, it won't even blink at you that it's dead or anything like that. So you might also want to just double check that as well, and just make sure that that's not a problem, because sometimes that might be the problem, and you might just have to go through and just double check that brightness and double check that the power's not off or something. In terms of that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.